front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, select Google over here. Then you need to click on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Password Manager. Then hit Passwords at the bottom left corner and tap on Add Password. Now input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!